Welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense. It is a so easy. It is a not difficult. Present continuous tense is a subject plus am is are and verb fourth form plus ing. It is not difficult. It is not difficult. It is a very easy. You have make this the sentence, and you have understanding this the present continuous tense. You have speak to English. You have daily practice. You have daily make this the sentence, and this sentence is the speak loudly speak. Okay, your mind is the create this the environment. Let's go example. Present continuous tense. We are purchasing car. Yeah, we are not purchasing car. This is a simple sentence, and second is the negative sentence. Are we purchasing car? Are we not purchasing car? This is a interrogative sentence, negative sentence, and WS questions. Okay. When are we purchasing car? When nahi. Why are we not purchasing car? This is a WS questions, interrogative, affirmative. This is a one sentence. You have make this the one sentence. This is the five types. This the make this the sentence. Yeah, but you have daily practice. You have daily practice. He is feeling a good. He is not feeling a good. Okay, is he feeling a good? Is he not feeling a good? When he nahi, when is he feeling a good? Why is he not feeling a good? This is a present continuous tense. You have verb, only verb. Playing, telling, asking, want, need. This is a one verb, and you have sentence. You have make this a sentence. Okay. Subject I, we, he, she, it, they. Only. And helping verb is, am, are. It is not difficult. Okay. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, subject plus was, were plus verb fourth form and ing. Okay, it is not difficult. It is so easy, but you have your mind is a negative thought and you have difficult. Okay. Past continuous tense. I was getting a prize. I was not getting a prize. Okay. Was I getting a prize? Was I not getting a prize? When was I getting a prize? Why was I not getting a prize? It is just very easy. It is not difficult. You have daily practice. You have daily practice. You have understanding. You have understanding this the making this a sentence. Make this a sentence. Okay. You are understanding this the formula, and you have daily practice. You have speak to English. You have talk to English. Okay. Continuous tense. Future continuous tense is a very easy. It is not difficult. Future is the तुम्ही करणार असाल, करणार असेल, करणार असू. This is a future continuous tense. Okay. Subject plus shall plus will be plus verb fourth form and ing. Okay. Let's go example. Kedar will be going to school. Kedar will not be going to school. Okay. Will Kedar be going to school? Will Kedar not be going to school? When will Kedar be going to school? Why will Kedar not be going to school? This is a future tense. This is a future continuous tense. It is a very easy. It is a not difficult. But you have your mind is the negative thought and it is a difficult. But you have daily practice. You have daily understanding these the tenses. You have speak to English. Only tenses you have speak to English. You have learned about you grammar. You have zero level, you have beginner, but you have little bit, you have grammar is the most important. Okay, you have zero level, but you have little bit, you have tenses is the most important. Okay, thank you watching this my video is like and subscribe. Bye bye. You can do and you can speak.